I was a clumsy 13 years old with pimples when, while walking along the promenade in Syracuse, my daddy got me the taste of these flaming hot rice balls. 2 types of tasty stuffing to unmistakable geometrical shapes. Street food that is going to leave you speechless. Rice balls arancini. Let's turn up the volume. What I'm going to need for the rice: bit of salt, Giallozafferano rice, butter, Caciocavallo aged cheese, powdered saffron, and water that I put on to boil. The typical drama during the making of this recipe is the rice's cooking point. Too cooked, too gluey. Now, Daddy, I'm going to show you how to do it, so you won't get cross. With the absorption method, the rice starch is all going to stay inside the pan. Let's dive in. A bit of salt will be enough. The seasonings are tasty enough. I'm going to let it cook for 15 minutes until the water has been totally absorbed. Fantastic. The rice is cooked. Let's add the saffron that are diluted in boiling water. Now butter and Caciocavallo cheese. Stir everything well. This is a nice technique to prepare rice at home too. Instead of boiling it in a lot of salty water that gives you a mishmash. Ready. Tray and throw in the rice. I'm going to flatten it out and cover it with cling film, so we'll avoid a dry crust. Let's put our rice to rest a couple of hours. In the meanwhile, we'll think about the stuffing with espresso ragu. What are we going to need? Oil, salt, pepper, tomato sauce, red wine, peas, Caciocavallo cheese, minced pork, butter, onion. Ready with oil and butter in the casserole. Butter. Add the onion. We're going to let it stew nicely. The onion is nicely stewed. Let's add the minced pork. Turn the heat up a bit so you can brown it well. You can blend it with red wine. The alcohol smell has disappeared. We can add the tomato sauce. Salt and pepper. I'll leave it to cook for 10 minutes and then we add the peas. Ta-da! Within 20 minutes our espresso ragu will be ready. Obviously the original arancini recipe says the ragu should cook for a very long time and that you should use tomato paste. Can assure you that even this fast version is going to be perfect. The rice is nice and hard, the ragu is ready, we can compose our arancini. What are we going to need for the other stuffing? Mozzarella cheese and cooked ham for the ones with butter. To batter them and fry them, we're going to need water, a bit of salt, flour, seed oil, breadcrumbs. Let's put the oil to heat up. Let's start with the butter. A big bowl. Pour the flour. Bit of salt. And water slowly. A nice whip to avoid unpleasant lumps. Very well. Never like in this case, the mise en place is very important. What is the mise en place? It's the position of the ingredients ready to get used for the recipe. Otherwise you'll go crazy. So let's uncover the rice. Let's fill the bowl with water that will help us keep our hands moisted. Going to moisten my hands, not too much. Just like you would to make sushi. Take some of the rice, flatten it out on your hand. We're going to do the cone-shaped one, so the one with the ragout. The whole arancino, otherwise who eats at the top won't find any food. And Caciocavallo cheese. Then we're going to take another part of the rice, we're going to put it on top. Start creating the top that distinguishes the one with the ragout stuffing. And then we're going to put it down. The finishing touch just at the bottom. Here it is. Now let's do the one called with butter, the round one with the mozzarella cheese and ham. Wet hands? Our big rice dolls, nice basin, as they call it here, little ham cubes, and mozzarella cheese. Fantastic. Let's take some more rice, close nicely our ball-shaped arancino, squeeze it a bit. Look how nice. A nice dip in the butter. Let the butter in excess drain. And then put it in the breadcrumbs. A couple of tricks to avoid making mistakes. Use this system. This is the last step. To give your arancino the right shape, so compress it well. You may find some pieces of the wet batter. It's normal. And using the breadcrumbs, we are going to dry the whole surface of the arancino. Ta-da! Look how nice. In goes his cousin too. Let the butter drain. And here we go. And this is ready too. Now it's time to fry. The oil has the right temperature. Slowly, huh? We are around 170 degrees, not too hot, otherwise the outside is going to get burned, but the inside is going to stay raw. Here are the first ones, perfectly fried. Let the oil drain. Keep doing like this with all the others. And here they are, nice and warm and ready to get bitten. The ideal street food. The snack that anyone walking by the nice fry shops make them once. Arancini di riso, this is my version. I'll wait to see yours. Bye, Auntie Enza. Love to the family. Take care.